Welcome to Next Gen Garage. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated rebirths in American muscle car history, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. After years of speculation, Chevy has finally decided to bring back the legendary Z28 badge, and it's everything enthusiasts have been waiting for: raw power, track-focused performance, and a modern design that still screams old-school attitude. Let's get into what makes the 2026 Camaro Z28 an absolute beast. First off, the heart of this machine. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.6-liter LT7 V8 engine, derived from Corvette racing technology. It pumps out a mind-blowing 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. This isn't a car built for fuel economy, it's built to make your pulse race. Chevrolet has tuned this engine to deliver instant throttle response, an explosive exhaust note, and that unmistakable Z28 character that sends chills down your spine. The 2026 Z28 comes with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, keeping purists in mind, while an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic is available for those chasing the quickest lap times. Chevy's engineers say the manual version offers the most connected driving experience yet, with short, crisp shifts and an aggressive clutch feel that makes every gear change thrilling. Now let's talk performance. With launch control engaged, the Z28 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, and it keeps pulling until it hits a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. But this isn't just about straight-line speed. Chevrolet designed the 2026 Z28 to dominate corners. 2. The car rides on an upgraded magnetic ride control 5.0 system, paired with a track-tuned suspension setup. Lightweight forged aluminum control arms, wider front and rear tracks, and a recalibrated electronic differential make the Z28 feel planted at any speed. Whether you're taking tight corners on a racetrack or carving through mountain roads, this Camaro stays glued to the asphalt. Chevy also focused on reducing weight. Carbon fiber hood, roof, and trunk lid cut down pounds where it matters most. Even the rear window is made from a lightweight composite material. The result? A curb weight of just over 3,400 pounds, lighter than most of its competitors. And when it's time to slow down, massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes take care of business, offering fade-free stopping power lap after lap. The Z28 rides on 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, some of the stickiest road-legal tires you can get. Now, the design. The 2026 Camaro Z28 looks like it was sculpted by speed itself. The front fascia features a gaping grille for maximum airflow, a carbon fiber front splitter, and active air flaps that adjust for cooling or aerodynamics depending on driving mode. The hood has a massive heat extractor that not only looks menacing but also helps keep that big V8 cool under pressure. From the side, the car sits low and wide with sharp lines and muscular fenders that remind everyone this isn't your average Camaro. Around back, a large fixed rear wing and aggressive diffuser generates serious downforce, giving the Z28 a race-ready stance. Quad exhaust tips finish off the look, delivering that classic Camaro roar. Inside, it's all business. The cabin combines modern tech with old-school performance spirit. You get Alcantara-trimmed sport seats with heavy bolstering, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and minimal distractions. Chevy has stripped out unnecessary weight. Even the sound insulation is reduced for a raw, connected experience. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, showing G-forces, lap times, and track telemetry in real time. And of course, the latest infotainment system is on board, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a performance data recorder, and an optional Bose sound system for those rare moments when you're not listening to the engine sing. Chevrolet says production of the 2026 Camaro Z28 will be limited, making it an instant collector's item. Prices are expected to start around $85,000, putting it right in the fight with the Mustang Dark Horse R and Dodge Challenger SRT Ghoul. But make no mistake, the Z28 isn't just competing. It's here to lead the new era of American performance. So, what's the takeaway? The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is the ultimate expression of what a modern muscle car should be. Powerful, loud, beautiful, and unapologetically raw. It's not just a car. It's a statement that Chevrolet still knows how to make driving an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching Next Gen Garage. If you love seeing legends reborn and power redefined, make sure to subscribe, because this is just the beginning. The Camaro is back, and the Z28 is ready to reclaim its crown.